Everyone, welcome back to the channel. So in this video I am going to review this book, class 11th commerce microeconomics book, which is written by Sandeep Garg, as you can see in this video. So if you want to buy this book online from Amazon, then you can check the link given in description box. If you buy from that link, then I'll get a small commission. So guys, in this video I will share my last 1 year experience with this book. How is this book? Is this book good for you? Is this the best book, or you should buy other books? So let's start the review without wasting any more time. So here is the content, as you can see. So there are 11 chapters. First one is introduction, consumer equilibrium, and demand, elasticity of demand, production function, cost, revenue, producers, equilibrium, supply, main market functions, price determination, simple applications. Then we have project work, then revision section. So guys, now let's start with chapter 1, introduction. So firstly we have learning objectives, means what we have to learn in this chapter, what we have to read in this chapter. Here are the topics, as you can see. So there are 10 topics. First one is introduction, scarcity, economic problem, meaning of economics, positive economics and normative economics, micro and macroeconomics, central problems of economy, opportunity cost, PPF, short practicals. So firstly we have introduction, what we have to read in this chapter, and what is microeconomics, what is an economy. So here is definition in bold words. Then we have what is an economy. Economy होती क्या है? So here is the definition given in bold letters. So in this book all the definitions are bold. So then we have economic problems, its definition, reason of economic problem, scarcity of resources, unlimited human wants, alternate uses. So these are the 3 points given in bold letters. Meaning of economics. What is the basically meaning of economics? So you can read this. Then why economics is considered a social science. So now we have microeconomics and macroeconomics. In class 11th you will read microeconomics, and in class 12th you will study macroeconomics. Then its definition, differences, and generally questions will came from this difference. So it is very important. Okay, so then we have some other definitions, some other headings. 2 broad branches of economics, macro, micro. Okay, then central problems of economy, what to produce, how to produce, for whom to produce. So all very nice. This is explained through chart. So then we have opportunity cost, PPF, production possibility frontier. Yeah, synonyms of PPF, it is very important. इन्होंने ये दे दिया अच्छे से, ठीक है. प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी कर्व, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर्व, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन फ्रंटायर, प्रोडक्शन पॉसिबिलिटी बाउंड्री, ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन बाउंड्री. इन्होंने दे दिया एक्स्ट्रा नॉलेज के लिए, बट इतनी ज़रूरत नहीं है. ये काफ़ी इंपॉर्टेंट है, PPC और ट्रांसफॉर्मेशन कर्व, ठीक है. देन वी हैव assumptions फॉर PPF. इट इज़ अ टेबल फॉर एक्सप्लेनेशन. Yeah, and now we have examples, numericals, example 9. Then we have revision of key points. So this is very important to revise the chapter in a very short time. Yeah, then we have synonyms or similar terms of this chapter: positive economics, normative economics, microeconomics, macroeconomics, production possibility frontier. Then we have HOTS questions, high order thinking skills questions. So यहाँ पर हमें डायग्राम्स दिया गया है, and the explanation is very good. So a lot of questions is given. So 38 questions of HOTS questions is given. Then we have NCERT solutions. The answers is not very well explained, but we have given hints what we have to write. So from the theory that we read earlier, we can write the answer very easily. So very good thing. Okay, then we have objective questions. So in objective questions, firstly we have fill in the blanks. So it have 21 fill in the blanks, and its answers are given there. Then you have true or false with reasons. Yeah, with reasons why it is false, why it is true. So then we have matching type questions. So now these questions are very important, and MCQs, MRQs, multiple choice questions, multiple response questions. So these questions are also very important. MCQs, diagram questions. So You have to understand diagram very properly, otherwise you will face a lot of problem. Yeah, then we have assertion is in questions. These are also very important. So new type of questions are also given in this book, like true false, fill in the blanks, MCQs, assertionism, and matching type. Yeah, then we have revision exercise, very short answer type questions, 1 mark each. So these are very short questions, and their answers are also given. So we have 48 questions. So you will not face any type of problem regarding questions, less questions. So it has a lot of questions, a bundle of questions. So आपको कहीं जाने की ज़रूरत नहीं है. This book is more than enough, more than sufficient. Then we have short answer type questions, 3 to 4 marks each, and these are unsolved questions. देख सकते हैं कितने सारे क्वेश्चंस हैं. हो गए नहीं आपसे ये सारे क्वेश्चंस. हाँ ठीक है ना. These are more than enough. सारे तो मैंने भी नहीं किए थे. Then we have unsolved practicals. Then power booster. So these are the extra knowledge that you can read, but it's not very important for your examination, but you can read this. Now let's see chapter 2, learning objectives, introduction, cardinal utility approach, ordinal utility approach. So here's a cardinal utility approach, concept of utility. You can read this, explore more about utility. So what basically is utility? Do consider it. Okay. Then we have diagrams, graph, relation between TU and MU, total utility and marginal utility. Assumptions, what are the assumptions? Then diagrammatic explanation of DMU. Now explore more about law of DMU, consumer equilibrium. Yeah. What happens when MUX is not equal to this? डायग्राम्स मिल गया आपको इस बुक के अंदर. तो यार बुक तो काफ़ी तगड़ी बनाई है ये. अब इसको 100% प्रेफर कर सकते हो. सो इफ़ यू कंपेयर बोथ बुक्स, संदीप गर्ग वर्सेस टीआरजन विक्योरी, देन संदीप गर्ग इज़ बेटर देन टीआरजन. Why? Because this book has easy definitions, easy explanation, and if you are doing self study, then you can do self study from this book very easily. But if you will do self study from that book, then it's very difficult for you, because the definition, the type of theory, the content given in that book is very hard. I also have that book. My school teacher also follow that book, but I don't follow that book. I follow this book and do self study from YouTube, from myself, from this book, and score decent marks. I will highly recommend you to buy this book, and the latest edition link of this book is given in description box. Direct link है, जाके check करो. ठीक है. That's all for this video. If you want to buy this book, then you can find the link given in description box, and if you find this video helpful, then you can like this video. And if you are in class 11, then you can subscribe this channel, because in future more videos will be coming soon related to handwritten notes and books reviews and many more videos related to class 11. So guys, see you again in next video.